Yeah. So this is the parboiling session. This is the pre-cleaning. This pre-cleaning remove all the straws, all the foreign matters here. This is another one of our projects also. Yeah. So this is the milling session. This is just how we started assembling all the machine. Yeah. So just like I said, our Agro Solutions will ensure we don't leave any stone unturned. Yes. So we pay attention to details. We give you the perfect. This is the chimney installation of the chimney. The chimney. Yeah. This is the dryer completed. It's completed. So subscribe to our channels and keep following us. We are going to bring you all. We'll bring you all the secrets, all you need to know about concerning rice processing in Nigeria and other countries. Yes, anywhere we go to do a project, ensure you subscribe so you get notification. Then you come with us. We'll update you on everything, how we do carry out our project from start to finish, and not just rice and every other agribusiness that we are involved in. We are going to bring it to you people. Subscribe and keep following us. Yes, so some of us know how we eat rice, but we don't know how they are processed. So by following us in this channel, you will learn and you will see how
Sylvester, you will find something like this,
how rice is
you have to make a platform and weld this. You need to make a platform like this and weld like this
from the raw state to the consumption state. This is the completion there. So this is the first running where we started first running the rice. Yeah, first running the rice. So this is the first one. We are pouring the paddy now. This is another project.